Today, we're going to review the Craftsman M250 Lawn Mower. I've had it for 1 year now, and I'm going to talk about some of the pros and cons about this mower. I'm going to share with you what I like and dislike about it, and we're going to talk about some of its features. Now, in the back, at the bottom, you can see a U-shaped bar hanging down by the wheels. That does not come with the mower. That is a striping kit that I purchased and installed separately. On this side is the muffler and the oil and the side discharge chute, which I do use. And over here on this side is the deck wash. And we have the gas shutoff valve and the air filter. And the spark plug is in the front of the mower. Now above is a link that I did on how to change the oil, the air filter, and the spark plug and sharpen the blade, so check that out if you want to watch the tune-up kit video. Now this is a front wheel self-propel mower, and if you tighten the tension of the cable on this wheel up here at the handle, you can vary the speed of the front wheels depending upon how much you pull the hand lever, which I really like that feature. Pulling it just a little bit, the wheels will turn slow. And pulling it all the way, the wheels will turn faster. Now, if you find that you can't vary the speed of your wheels, then that just means you need to tighten the cable more. I like to vary the speed when I'm cutting through thicker grass. I'll go slower. And in the fall, when the grass is not growing as much, I'm able to cruise through the lawn at a faster speed. So here you can see the difference in speed of the wheels as I pull the mower handle. Now down at the bottom of the easy fold handles, you'll see these gray quick adjustments. This will allow you to be able to tip the handle up or down according to your height, or even fold it. Now, this happened to me once where an adjustment worked its way loose and I had to stop the mower and retighten it. I don't fold the handles, so I've never really found that a useful feature. Here I am cutting the front yard. Now, one thing I like about the front wheel self-propel is that when you push on the handle up a slope, the front wheels are pushed into the ground, giving you better traction, helping you go uphill, which may not be the case with a rear wheel drive self-propel mower, whereas when you push, the rear wheels may lift up off the ground. Height adjustment is only on one side of the mower, which makes it easy to adjust all four wheels. At its lowest setting, it'll cut 1 1/4 inches, and at its highest, 3 3/4 inches, and it goes in 1/2 inch increments. Now, I like to cut at a position 4, which is 2 3/4 inches. And sometimes in the fall, I'll lower it down to a lower setting where I can get closer to the ground before aeration. Now, getting around things like the house and the bushes is fairly simple. Of course, it's not going to get tight against any objects, but that's what they make string trimmers for. As you can see, I like to bag my front lawn. I find that when I lift the rear door, I have to push the grass into the back of the bag. Otherwise, there's a mess of clippings left under the bag and the mower. When the mower was new, the rear discharge door didn't make a tight seal on the bag, but over time, it's now broken in. On my old mower, the clippings bag had a handle that went side to side across the bag. So gripping this handle that goes front to back took some time to get used to. Other than that, emptying the clippings is quick and easy. The side discharge is simple to install. Just lift the mulch cover door and hook it on. The tension from the cover pushes down on the side discharge, keeping it in place. Now, if you use a side discharge, just remember that clippings will shoot several feet. So be sure not to discharge in the direction of anything that you don't want covered in grass. As you can see here, they're easily covering our patio on its second pass, and even on the fourth pass, it's still shooting as far as the patio. When using the side discharge, always make sure you are favoring objects to the left side of your mower on the non-discharge side. If you hit the discharge chute on a rock or a fence or a bush, it will easily pop off. I've experienced this one time and accidentally ran over it partially and put a little chip in my side discharge chute from the blade. So favor the left side and don't knock your chute off. Now on this day, I was mowing some nice dry grass, which was discharging very easily from the side, but I've mowed some wet grass and it will clog up that chute. So I'd have to stop, unclog it before continuing. Now back to the self-propel lever. It's controlled with the right hand. There's been times where I grab a stick with my right hand, so I'd have to reach across the handle with my left hand to continue to engage the self-propel. It's not a terrible thing, but definitely not convenient. Now the other half of the lawn, I removed the side discharge chute and mulched. Obviously when mulching, you get a finer grass clippings and then using the side discharge. My preference for what I use all depends on what the grass is looking like that week. So here I did a deck wash, and underneath really isn't that bad after this mow, but I've seen some pretty bad buildup some other times. On this day I ran the deck wash for 5 minutes, and to be honest with you, it did a fair job. If it was really caked on underneath, it wouldn't have done such a good job. But I found that nothing really beats getting in there with a scraper and a hose every now and then and just scraping it down and cleaning it off. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and comment what kind of mower you have down below. And if you have the Craftsman M250, what have you found about it that you like or dislike? All right, leave me some comments below. Again, thanks for watching.